All right, in this section, we're going to use a very powerful library for creating and sending emails using React on TypeScript. It's called React Email. You can find it at this address, react.email. Now, what this library does is that it gives us a bunch of components for creating HTML emails. It also gives us a tool for previewing our emails and a function for sending emails. Now, the easiest way to get started is to use npx to run this package. But I don't like the way this does a few things, so I'm going to show you the manual setup, which is my preferred way. So let's go to the terminal. First, we have to install two packages. The first one is react-email. The second one is at react-email/components. And of course, as you know, the name of these packages might change in the future. They might remove the @ sign or add something else. So always look at the documentation for the most up-to-date information. Now let's go ahead and install these packages. All right, now let's go to my package.json file to find the version of these packages I've installed. So currently I'm using React Email/components version 0.0.7 and also React Email version 1.9.4. So make sure to install the same versions. So everything I'm going to show you in this section works exactly the same way on your machine. Now, I told you that this library gives us a tool for previewing our emails. To use that, we have to set up a new script here. So here in the scripts object, let's add a new command. We can call it preview-email or whatever you want. And we set it to email dev. Now, by default, this starts a web server on port 3000. But as you know, this is the same port we use for our Next.js app. So here we use -p to supply an alternative port, like 3030. Now the final step. We go in the root of our project. Here in the root, we create a new folder called emails. In this folder, we add React components that represent our email templates. And that's what we're going to do next.